Hey y'all, this is Lug&TugSawmill. I'm Brent, and Carol's going to help some on this job too. I'm sure glad you came with us today, and I hope you enjoy this video. This little log was a little too short to fit on the deck, so we had to get a couple of short boards and take a little help from the overhead winch and get it loaded on the sawmill. This short log's got a little sweep in it. I think it's probably going to involve a little tension as we take a board or two off. Carol's picking up those slabs and getting them out of the way. We're going to stack them up in a different pile, and maybe Roger will want them for something. Cabinet makers use stuff for who knows what. You can really see the sweep in this log from this angle. It's going to have quite a bit of stress, I'm pretty sure. I think I figured out how much I need to take off to get me a board now. See that thing pick up off the can? That was a real release of tension there. We're going to have to take these boards off from this side or they'll be crooked. This way they'll just have a little bow in them. We're sawing with the Wood-Mizer double hard 747 band, and it's working really good on this Sassafrasa. I think maybe we'll stick with it with most of our sawing. Well, you've hung in there for a little over half of it. Now'd be a real good time to like and subscribe. One good thing about these little logs, when you get enough width to make a board, there's just not many or very few slabs to have to edge. I don't think it's any on this one. In theory, at least, I had a flat side facing up, so if I roll it over, that'll put whatever bow was created by the stress in that log, and I can trim it off and make a board that is actually 1 1/8 inches thick, both ends and in the middle. We've really enjoyed your visit. I'm glad you stuck with us, and we hope to see you next time.